You can ignore this powerful natural antibiotic, turmeric combined with honey, also known as golden honey. When mixed with honey, turmeric becomes an invaluable natural remedy for a myriad of ailments and diseases, including Number 1. Indigestion. Number 2. Cold. Number 3. Flu. Number 4. Asthma. Number 5. Hypertension. Number 6. High blood pressure. Number 7. High blood sugar. Number 8. Arthritis. Number 9. Diabetes. Number 10. Heart diseases. Number 11. High cholesterol. Number 12. Depression and anxiety. Number 13. Inflammation of bones and burns. Number 14. Eczema, psoriasis, and acne. And number 15. Aging, by protecting the liver and kidney. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Ace of Health for support us.